Hey guys, it's Miss Delito. Now let's take a look at using the scale factor to find missing side lengths in a figure. So in this case, we are given one set of side lengths for corresponding sides, and we're given 4, and we are given 1. So first thing we need to do here is find our scale factor. And again, the scale factor is the number that we're going to multiply the side lengths by in our original figure to find the side length in our copy. We need to think to ourselves, 4 times what is going to equal 1? 4 times what equals 1? In this case, we know 4 times 1/4 will give us 1. So that means my scale factor is 1/4. What this scale factor is telling us is our scaled copy is 1/4 of the size of our original. Because we know scale factor is the number we multiply all of the side lengths by in our original figure to get the side lengths in our scaled copy, we can take the other set of corresponding side lengths, which is 8, and the side length that we're missing, and we can use the scale factor to find it. Again, we're going to multiply our original side length by 1/4 to find that missing side length. So in this case, 8, or 8 over 1, times 1/4 is equal to 8 over 4, which is equal to 2. So our missing side length in this case is 2. Anytime we're asked to find the missing side length on a scale copy, we are going to multiply the corresponding side length by the scale factor.